What's the matter? You stuck? What happened? Can you say hello? Hi. What's a kitty cat say? Can you tell me? What's a kitty cat say? Whoop! Boom. Boom. Boom diddy boom boom. Boom diddy boom. Oh, there's a shoe.
I do it to motivate myself to do something in the
Doggy.
He came over for a week to see him over Thursday.
Yeah?
He was like, so impressed with your house. He kept talking about it and talking about it.
Where are you going?
He's like, I walked in and he goes, I felt like I almost like I entered a different house.
What?
Well, yeah.
Did they go away?
Walked in from the front, yeah. He's like,
Oh, you missed.
yeah. What's going on?
You missed your chair.